Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on what to do in this clustered SPAC market. For those who don't know what a SPAC is, it's a special acquisition company. Basically, it's a blank check company that goes out with the sole purpose to acquire another company. The benefits are if a company is private, it's much faster to IPO through the the SPAC market. The regulations, a little less red tape, and it's a faster way to get from being a privately owned company and to the public market. Right now in 2020, we've seen the SPAC market really explode, and it's really something that that investors should pay attention to, especially because when there's opportunity or volatility, there's an opportunity for money to be made. Just as of right now, I'm involved. I own positions in Helion, ticker symbol SHLL. I was buying that for a little while. It's pretty high at the moment, so I don't know. I still anticipate it running. I'm looking for it to get into that like $70, $75 range. Lordstown Motors is one of my personal favorites. I own quite a few shares. Ticker symbol is DPHC. They will be merging with Lordstown Motors. That's a company certainly to look into. Right now they're trading at the $30 range. My price target for them is roughly $55, $60 as a bull case post-merger. Also LCA, Lancadia Holdings, is merging with Golden Nugget. Right now the ticker symbol is LCA. I own call options for that company. Also Multiplan, CCXX. I did a video about that one a few days ago. If you haven't seen that one, check that one out. That they just announced the date for October the 7th for the vote, for the shareholders vote. So the merger should be shortly after. Probably the following day is my previous experience. Other SPACs. Now, like I said, there's a lot going on, and a lot of these are on the tail end. They've already run. They're close to merger dates, so they may not be for you. But if you could project and look what's going on in the fourth quarter, there are some opportunities that are still early. One particularly is BurgerFi, Opus, OPES is the ticker symbol. That's definitely an interesting company. Also, FVAC, MP Materials. Ticker symbol there is FVAC. There's also Hennessy Capital Acquisition. They're merging with Canoe. That's going to be later on in the year. That's an early one. If you could get on that one now, that would be great. HCAC is that ticker symbol. So a strategy that I've been implying with, even if I don't necessarily love these companies for the long term, there's certainly a catalyst for swing trades. So I use that, the anticipation and the run-up going towards the mergers for swing trades. I really like to do that with call options. They've been making me quite a bit of money and helping me grow my account. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I suggest that you do your own research, but definitely a strategy to employ would be to look for future mergers. If you like the companies and you could get in early before the heavy wave, you just got to be patient. I've noticed that we're dealing with a very impatient market. Just the other day, when Helion announced their merger date for September the 29th, which was actually good news, it was just 3 weeks out, and it actually caused the price to drop a little bit. So pay attention to that. It's definitely an impatient market, so if you can be patient, there's certainly opportunities. So definitely look into that. Look for mergers coming up in late in the fourth quarter, early first quarter of 2021, and you could get in those now. A lot of these ones with the hype are running. I wouldn't necessarily suggest chasing them and getting in now unless you're already in. It's definitely a hold. But it's for you to decide. If you could look and you still see a lot of value in some of the companies, especially the ones in the thumbnail, then go ahead. They still do have room to run, but most of them have ran quite a bit. You know, they all start in that $10 range. LCA is definitely coming up in October. Diamond Peak Holdings is coming up in October, November. Fisker, SPAC, Spartan Energy, that also should be in October, November. There's quite a few of them, and it's an exciting time for an investor. So definitely look into some of those. See if you can maybe time them, you know, sequentially as swing trades, or see if they're long-term positions. Just wanted to make a quick video and throw that strategy out there, see if it's something that you can employ. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so that's ultimately for you to decide. Okay, again, I'm Mike from MJ Invest. There's going to be links for Robinhood and Webull, so we both get free shares in the description. Thanks for watching.